spring. So for me, that means cleaning shelves, cleaning drawers, cleaning out my fridge. I have this Ava non-slip mat. This is in beige. So nice. So if your cabinets or things keep sliding everywhere, this is one of those simple fixes that actually works. This is the shelf and drawer liner. Feels so thick. I've never seen anything like this. And you can instantly wipe it down, and it's going to make everything look that much better. It has this non-slip grip. This is in beige, and it's going to keep items from sliding around. The roll is so ample. I'm going to be able to do my fridge, do my basement fridge, and maybe some cabinets as well. I like that it has a waterproof surface. So because my kids always make messes in my fridge, I can just wipe this clean. I like that it has a non-adhesive design, so I don't have to worry about that sticky residue, and I can easily reposition it. This is made out of durable EVA material. It's going to hold up so well with everyday use. This is such a simple upgrade to make the space look cleaner and more put together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some measurements. Then I may use my manual cutter to cut this, and then I'm going to lay it on all of my shelves evenly and beautiful. But I really like this. A simple upgrade, non-slip. This is the beige. Highly recommend. This review is sponsored by the brand.